The human body is a beautiful, wacky, and mysterious machine. The human body is the structure of a human being. It is composed of many different types of cells that together create tissues and subsequently organ systems. They ensure homeostasis and the viability of the human body. Here's the thing, we live with it, so sometimes it's easy to forget how amazing things like internal organs, eyes, or even the basic building blocks of life cells are, right? Here are facts about the human body that are sure to get your brain going. Amazing facts about human body. Your highest blood flow is in your kidneys. As the heart pumps, blood is pushed through the body through the entire circulatory system. Have you ever wondered which part of the body gets highest body flow? The highest blood flow isn't in your heart, liver or brain. It's in your kidneys. Yes. And that's because kidneys are the body's natural filtration system. Your blood vessels could circle the globe. Though people have small blood vessels, the networking is amazingly long. If they were laid out, they would measure more than 60,000 miles. Please don't do that though. It's good to keep your vessels in your body. Your skin has 1,000 different species of bacteria on it. Your skin is vital in protection of the body against bacteria. Skin itself has 1,000 different species of bacteria on it at any given time, which is why outer layer of your skin continually renews itself. The entire process of skin cell renewal takes about 28 days. Your fingernails grow faster than your toenails. Fingernails grow 2 to 3 times faster than toenails. A fingernail replaces itself in about 6 months while a toenail takes a year. You're probably more like your dad. Researchers showed that in the scales between the female egg and male sperm that your genes tend to favor your dad, especially over multiple generations. This phenomena is known as gene expression. Eyelashes last about 150 days. Our eyelashes fall out and completely replenish themselves every 150 days. They regrow until they reach the optimum length, then they fall out and replenish themselves again. Although everyone's shedding cycle varies slightly in length, every set of human eyelashes goes through this pattern. Your blood has the same amount of salt in it as the ocean does. All of us have in our veins the exact same percentage of salt in our blood that exists in the ocean, and therefore, we have salt in our blood, in our sweat, in our tears. Kennedy said, "We are tied to the ocean, and when we go back to the sea, whether it is to sail or to watch it, we are going back from whence we came." Food spends up to 6 hours in the stomach being digested. After you eat, it takes about 6 to 8 hours for further digestion, absorption of water and, finally, elimination of undigested food. Bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. Your bones are composed of 31% water. Your bones, pound for pound, are 4 times stronger than concrete. Also, bone is stronger than some steel. You're going to be taller in the morning. Body height is the distance from head to toe. Measure your body height in the morning and again at night. We are a little bit taller in the morning than we are later in the day. But why? The reason is cartilage in our spine and in the other parts of our bodies, such as our knees when we stand up or sit down throughout the day. While we are lying down in a resting position, the spine is set to spread out or decompress, so when we wake in the morning we are taller after lying in the bed all night. This may be due to gravity. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.